Hello people, hello. No, say I need to go this back again. Right now I take a shit cause month of shit where Amari attack, not even what the shit me I take. So, I'm just bear with me right now. I see she attack, well, I'm just have to jump on it, everything. Is it? I'm still clean myself up nice this time. So, 1 second, is it? Yeah. Lord, just came from the gym and shower and stuff. So, bear with me, people. Yeah. So, this is my mom and my sister. Say what's up. They don't really want to be on camera too much, so I'm not even gonna say show them on camera like that. But people. Yeah, me are sweaty, hot. But people. This is another installment of Nico Attacky Things then. Is it? So right now we are here about that thing. And this right here is just a message to you, Amari, because I'm gonna keep this short and I'm gonna keep this really professional, as professional as I can. I'm not gonna try to get ratchet because I'm not raised that way there. Is it? Why is it that I know say why for the negative eyes, we say why. Shout out to Popcorn, why? I remember them way they from Gaza. But is it me? I talk to Amari now. Why for the negativity? Why for the drama? Why for all of the foolery where you're going with? Because it comes in like say everybody you get associated with, you become a victim. You see me? So now you said it, first you said the boss, the Jamaican, him Haitian. Then you say how him take your credit card and him on a scammer. And it's funny because it come in like say you don't even review the own videos where you do. Jesus Christ, you mess up why me a shame. I fix that still. But it come in like say you don't even, is me, realize the videos you be making. Cause the last video you made when Gully Bop left you say man take your passport and your ID and your card them. Let me pause real quick, because I know me I talk about, so I can pause real fast. Lord, I feel good, that shit that me did that take shit better than all the shit when she talk, I swear. But yeah, all of the food we are going, isn't it? Right now we're there up on the work floor. We are work on music, we are build up our thing. And we're not even pushing no type of negative energy or anything like that to you, Amari, is it? Now, you say you're a child of God. Last I checked, we're all children of God. And if you are truly a child of God, you will know that a child of God does not try to bring down another child of God. Isn't it? A Satan work that. So, I advise you not to go on church on Saturday. Try go Sunday. I don't know if you go burn up. True, say I go on Sunday, but the Saturday thing now works. So try Sunday. If you're not burn up on Sunday, then you might go. But yeah, that's one thing I got cut out. But now the Amari drama done. Right now, it done. We not show it no attention. We not, isn't it? Try come try style it like say people broke. Baby, look on my shirt. You see the polo? Isn't it? The boss Marley with on this, so I'm sure where we live. Is it? This right here is what you call the suburbs. You see the picnic them and the woman outside that play with the dog and the selling cat. This is the suburbs. Is it? You live in Brooklyn, home of all the scammers. Isn't it? Scamming originated, credit card scamming originated in Brooklyn. Isn't it? You live where only you will live in a Brooklyn will know about them thing there. Isn't it? Because we live in the suburbs. Our parents moved us up here to learn how to articulate ourselves and become something of ourselves. That's why we chose to do music. It's the Bob Marley there. I'm number one. Hold on, the phone go dead. I forget some me have somebody on the phone. That's, so yeah, so much thing you take me from. But yeah, Bob Marley right there say it himself. My music will go on forever. So you see, from we move up here, so in the suburbs. You see, we're not even a hang up on the street. You must see a pure white people. Well, I'm gonna go up on my balcony here, man, to post it, God. Come here, let's see, I have everything. It's the family again, I'm on live. I'm on live. It's my mom. You can hear her voice. I'm not gonna put it on camera because she don't like to be on camera. But yeah, take you guys on the balcony. Yeah, you see this? You see all of this? You see all of this? You see all of that? You see all of this? You see all of this? This is what you call the suburbs, upstate New York. Is it? We come, well, C-Pow come to your house in Brooklyn. Only people in Brooklyn know about credit card scamming, and the only reason I can't tell you that is because I have cousins that live in Brooklyn, isn't it? So you can't bring negative thought to it, and you know bring us down. No matter what you say, we still are gonna rise, and we still are gonna do music. We still are gonna try to build our own fan base, even though we take some of your fans. We still are gonna build our own fan base as well, because we never come on your bandwagon for no gimmicks. We come for the love. Only because the fact that you love our music and we love the fact that you showed us appreciation. So now with that being said, as of today, the argument, all of the war where you come up with, all of the styling where you bring, it done. Because everything where you say about C-Pow right now, the same thing where you say about Gully Bop. And the funny thing is we get offers to do feature with Gully Bop and we turn it down. One of my baddest producer in Jamaica right now, Roger, and big up yourself, have a rhythm where Gully Bop vice pan alone. Before we even meet you, the song shot. It was gonna play on 105.1. You know 105.1 because you live here in New York. One of the biggest stations, them Charlemagne the God. And, you know, everybody, Charlemagne the God, DJ, whatever his name is, they all have it on YouTube. You can search it up. It's called The Breakfast Club. They were gonna play the song before you even met us. So for you, if you come here, so make us look like we're broke. You know, say the tattoo man thing. All of this there before you. All of this before you. And we're not trying to make nobody bring us down. Cause work where you are put in, and the hard work we are put in. You see me I sweat? You see me I sweat? You see me I sweat? You just come from the gym. Something you need to try. I'm not even want disrespecting now with it. I'm have a better heart than that. But yo, Amari, big up yourself, same way, is it? We're not throwing no negative vibes no more. Right now, today, it's done. Is it? Go find somebody else bandwagon for jump on because we're done with the fuckery. Is it? Just the fans were there for please. And you know what I'm saying? Like I said in the previous video, we're not enemies. We're just friends that's not doing business. So, you know what I mean? Big up yourself. You say you're a God-blessed person. God bless your heart. Because as a child of God, I'm not going to follow your route. I don't use fire for burn people. And say you want to put out fire if you use water. You see me? So, yeah, people, we're just there. You know what I mean? Thank you, everybody, who are tuning in. You see it? I'm not depend no foolery. I can't turn up still. I can't ask C-Pow. I know if you turn up. And, you know, but I take a mature out because a whole heap of things I could have said about her. And I not do it. You see, whole heap. Just give on a preview. But a whole heap of things we could have said. We just not do it because we're not depend that level there. You see it? But Amari, big up yourself. You know what I mean? Only bad mind take things so far. If I call you a scammer, If you say the youth thief your credit card, and if you say the youth not even Jamaican or Haitian, like, what you try to do? You know, say the same thing to Gulliver? On your previous video, yo, I don't talk. I got any video right here, so I don't talk. People, if you want answers, go look on her previous videos and you'll notice a pattern. I'm out.